Into the HTML example folder, you can paste the photos, rename 1 and 2. Rename the photo as a 1 and rename as a 2. Just right click and rename. Press 1, right clicks, rename, press as a 2. So photo will be renamed as a 1 and 2. Folder is created. Right, it is right. Option for folder. Everyone. It's already easier. The files you will create and change folder. Which folder? Example one. Now, copy photo and paste in that folder. Do you have any photo in computer? Check in system, there will be photo anywhere, drive and drive. So for how many people photo is not there in the system? Go to your computer, open the Paint, search somewhere. There is a Paint. You have system Paint, search and open. I will guide you how to create the photo. Paint. Okay, okay. The photo you can arrange there, and we'll see later. Now come to the your Notepad++. Come to the Notepad++ and create a new file. Photo is the next task. By then you can search and get from somewhere. Create a new file under that HTML example folder. File name should be home.html. File name should be home.html. File created home.html. Okay, cool. Hello. Kitna will come in some 5 minutes, madam. Your name? Okay. Okay, the value bound something, right? The company name is what? Oh. Okay. Okay. Once you will come, I'll ask her to call you back. Okay, so file is created. What is the file name? Home.html. Go to the folder and verify once it is there only or somewhere else. The file is there only under the HTML folder, HTML example folder. Okay. Now, one file you created. we have to create like this 4-5 files. Okay, all file will be in same folder. So home is ready. Create one more new file. Give the file name about.html. You can do the save as and store under the same folder about.html. Not about us, only about. File name is only about. Now saving the file in the folder is your task. So find out how to save the file in the folder. Which folder? Example 1 folder. Because basic understanding is what? Computer operating knowledge. We need to know how to create the file, how to create folder, where to save the file. Remaining coding part teaching is my job. But creating the file, creating the folder is your job. Okay. That much skill is not there, then we have to learn it. Morning and evening in a day, create 200 folder in your system. Create multiple files and store and learn it. Okay. Because when we go to learn something, some preliminary knowledge is required, no? Right? Basic some understanding is required. So for software developer to be a software developer, how to operate a system, that knowledge is needed, minimum. Okay, remaining I will guide you. Now go ahead. Hope you created the folder. Sorry, and inside the folder, the file is ready. How many files? 2 files. Okay, 2 files are ready. In which folder? HTML example folder. Here. Create one more file. Contact.html. Contact. CONTACT. CONTACT.html. 3 files. Today we are learning copy paste. Okay. Write once, copy paste. Okay. Something. You will get some more idea. Create next file. Okay. One more file. Service.html. Not services. Service. SERVICE. Service.html. Service.html is ready. Okay. Next, after that, how many files you create? 4 files. Create one more file. Create one more file. Give file name call. Contact you have made. Service you have made. Product.html. Product.html. Home about contact service and product. Okay, ready? So we can go to the folder and we can check once. All 5 files are there or not. Where you created the files. So on this side. Go inside folder, then only you get to know file is there or not. You have not saved. Where is the notepad plus plus? Where is this file? This is created in D drive somewhere desktop. Here, when we create the file, while doing save as, we have to search where is your folder. Where is the folder? On desktop. Go to desktop. Go to HTML. Check this. Click on save button. Do the same for this also. You can go to where? Save as. See what is pointing? This one. Go to the desktop. Select this. Double click here. Again click on save button. If files are not on proper location, it will not work. It will show you page not found. While creating the file, we have to select the path where we need to save. So while saving it, going directly document. You see here, you have to select the which one? Desktop, HTML. After that, under the HTML, example, and click on save. Let me again guide them how to create a file. So this is your desktop. HTML. Okay, so this way you can create the file. Okay, cannot see in the screen. What is cannot see in the screen here? Nandu Kumar, what cannot see in the screen?
Same folder space. It's not changing.
Files to folders you created. Go here and check like this. You have folder. Inside the folder you have file. For how many people is not done? Reply your name in the chat. Say your yes, no. I will guide you again. Okay. Done. Created. Arun Kumar for you. Arul. Nandu and then Arun. So for your is ready or shall I guide you? Nandu is ready. Arun, your Arun. Say yes, no, quickly. I can guide you. Else for asking also you take 5 minutes time. Created. See, nothing to hide. Okay, you are learning. If you hide means you will not learn. You need to ask clearly. If you ask, then I'll guide you. Because you are not in class. If you are in the class and problem will come, I will guide directly. You are in home. So if you say yes, then okay. If you say no, then I can help you out. Maybe I can handle your system from my place and then I can guide you. Okay, so cool. If you have done, go ahead. So total, how many files? 5 files. All are in one folder. Clear? Files name as about, contact, home, product and then service. Okay, we are going to make a link all to all, many to many. Okay, all pages will have a link to all the pages. From anywhere we can go to anywhere. Okay, from all the pages we can go to all the pages. Okay, there will not be any kind of. Okay, now come to the home file. In home file, you can start the HTML and follow the body tag. Under body tab, you will follow table. Under the body, you will follow the table. A screen is not visible, then your internet is slow. You can log out and log in again. Internet a screen will not be visible if your internet is slow. You need to log out and re-log in. Next, after that, table is open close, right? Inside the table, there will be a property called align, center, cell spacing, give some 15. Between two cells, there will be sufficient space. Between two cells, there will be sufficient space. That is called cell spacing. Hope written cell spacing. Now write a tr, follow a td. Under the td, a href, text as a home, and here we will write home.html. Complete one line properly, one td. This file is in which folder? Home folder, example folder only, no? Complete one line properly, read once after writing it, whether everything is proper or not. Okay, home link is ready. Run this file and click on home. It should remain on the same page. After writing, run this file and click on home. It will remain on the same page because you have given which link? Same link only. So if you click on home, it will be on the same, but page will get reload. After writing, run the file, and then Home link will come. If you click on that, same page will get reload. Same page will get reload. So hope happening. One TT is ready. How many pages we have? 5 pages we have. This line you need to copy and paste 5 times. This line. TD. TD, complete TD, complete TD. So if you are using Notepad++, keep your cursor in the last and press Ctrl D 5 times. Notepad++ you are using. Keep the cursor in the last. Press Ctrl and D. Ctrl plus D. Copy paste happened. Same thing we need to repeat how many times? 5 times. So suppose this line we have. This line we want to copy and paste. So we'll keep the cursor in the last and Control D, 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 5 times happen. Now we have to change the file name and we have to change the text. So we have about.html, contact we have for that contact.html. Multiple pages are there, multiple links we got here. So everywhere now we need to change the file name. Okay. It should not be click on about us, should go to the home page. Click on about us, should go to the about page. Okay. So here home, change to about. Anyhow, whichever the method you know, you just type it or write it or copy paste. Okay, let's do it and then get ready. About.html. Second we have called contact.
It is in same line or itself.
All will come in same line. TD is the inline element. It will print in the same line. Service.html. Product.html. Home, about, contact, service and product. First change the file name everywhere.
That's supposed to be one or
Huh?
the contact.
Here you have to change the text about us. About us. Here we change the text as a contact us. Here our services. Our services. Next is called our product. Home, about us, contact us, our services, our product. Link it properly. And after table, right here, one H1 tag. Right there, called welcome home. We can keep there. Align equal to any email has gone to the value bound. Company value.
Yes, sir.
Email 11. What time the
I
test?
told, she asked me for the confirmed candidates. I got the names, their timing, when they are available for the test. I sent the list. She
She
said,
has called like today 11:45 will be the test, online test.
no, she's already confusing me. She asked me for the list, and she told me she will send the link to me, testing, then I have to show. Again, yesterday she's telling, no, I will share it tomorrow, you can tell me the time.
Number is saved in that, you can call once in that phone. 97 number is BB. I have sent the name BB. Received call. H1 align equal to center. Welcome home. Okay, now if you run this file, you will get total 5 links and one H1 as a welcome home. Run now, check once. Should be something like this. Multiple hyperlink came. Cell padding are given 15. Cell spacing is the 15, right? Give cell padding also. Somewhere 15. It will give you very good space. Okay, cell padding. Now check the page how that look. Some more space got applied. Hope looking similar. You can add one HR tag here. HR. It will make a line from beginning to last. HR color. Green color. Size equal to 1 or maybe 2. 2 pixel green line will appear from beginning to last. Two pixel green line will come from beginning to last. Okay, line appear. After the H1 tag, after H1 tag, we can add one P tag that also align as a center. Align as a center. We can add few line in that. Okay. So hope content with the one line of paragraph appear. Looking similar or something else? In browser. Okay. Cool. So your page is looking similar. Okay. One file is ready. Now what we have to do? Remaining other files are also ready. So when we go to the home page, there also navigation should be there. Like suppose if I am here with the home page. When we click on home page, link should be here. When you go to the about page, there also link should be there to come back to home. When you go to the contact page, from there also link should be there to go anywhere. Right? So it should be many to many. All the pages should have a link with all. From any page, you can go to any page. Like suppose you are on the home page now. From home, you can go directly to the product also. You can go to the service, anywhere you can go. Similar way, if you go to the about page, then from about also there should be option to go to any page. So for that, we have to do something, copy and paste. Okay. So copy all from here. Control A, press Control A. Control and A. It's all selection. Press Control A. In computer, there is a key. Control and A. All selected? Yes. Now for copy, we have option called which one? Control and C. Press Control plus C. Okay. Control plus C. Control A for all selection. Control C for copy. Whichever is selected, all will get copied. Okay. So now the content is copied from here and it is available in your computer clipboard. You will go to about page and we have option again one more, Control plus V. Control plus V. Press Control V. Control plus V and see everything came here or not. In Control V, in about page, Control V, everything will come, right? So Control A for all selection, Control V for copy, and Control V for paste. Okay. Some shortcut also we have to remember. We have many shortcuts that we need to remember. Now Control V in all the pages. Go and do Control V in contact also. Save it. Control V in the service also. Save it. Control V in the product also. Save it. For saving, what is the option? Control S. Control plus S, if you press, file will get saved. Control plus C will copy. Control plus V will paste. Control plus A, all selection. So those are shortcut we need to follow. Now same content is copy pasted in all the pages. Okay. Let's keep some time. Then we'll be doing copy paste. Please do copy paste in all the pages. Same content. Copy and paste in all the pages. Control A for all selection. Control C for copy. Control V for paste and Control S for save. If you want to cut permanently, Control X. Okay. Control Z. to return back. Control Y is also there. Okay. Okay. So many options we have. So home file is ready. Home is working well. About should be little different than home. It should not be about and home should look similar. Go here. Remove the paragraph. H1 you have written. Welcome home. Convert into about us. About us. Modify the about page. Everything same. Only what we change? We change the value of H1. The text of H1 paragraph we delete. We modify this content and we deleted the paragraph. Ready? About us. Now go to the contact file. In contact file, change the H1 as a contact us. Remove the paragraph. Remove the paragraph. In service also you can write our services, remove the paragraph. In product also you can write our product and remove the paragraph. Okay, so let's go to the service file. You can write here our services. Remove the paragraph. Go to the product page. Our product. Again remove the paragraph. And go to your page, run any page and click on any link. See, all the links are working or not. Go to the page, click on the links. You should be able to go from any page to any page. If you click on link, it should navigate you from all to all, many to many. Okay, ready? Let's come now. See, click on all the pages. Click on any page. So it's getting open or not. Home, about, contact, service, product, again service, contact, home, product. File must be saved. If file is not saved, it will not work. Control S should be there. Loading all the pages. Anyone whose page is not loading, on click, your page should load and it should give the data of particular page. All the page must link with all to all linking should be there. Running. It's HRES. Paste it down a time, 2 times. HRES. Size, size. You have pasted 2 times. Right? So there. Center is spelling unit. CEN. Slash will not come. So all the pages you have to remove the slash. Remove the slash. Okay, so hope we are clear. Page is loading as well. And no error at all. We will come to the home file. And in home file, we'll do some more R&D. Okay. Home.html file open. And come to the after paragraph. CENTER. CENTER. Spelling. Few words are there that we need to remember as well. Okay, so paragraph is in center only. H1 is also in center, all are in center. After paragraph, you write a tag here. Photo we have kept in folder, we have not kept the photo. Okay. So today what you do is, whoever have no photo in the system, they should connect from internet and download 10 photos. Photos should be JPEG. Okay, not PNG and web. JPEG. Okay, search on internet, wallpaper photo JPEG. Okay, click on image. So many photo will come. Download and keep in the system. Okay. Everywhere you have to use the photos and all. So if the photo will be there in the system, it will be helpful. It should be which format? JPG. Okay, JPG, not web format. Okay, now after that. So home page is ready. Now in home page, the text we have added, that is okay. In about page, we have added only about us. In contact page, what we have added? Only contact us. So you can see in all the pages, the first table is common. Common or not? The first table what we have written, it is available in the home also. Same code is in about, same code is in contact, same code is in service, and similar code under the product as well. So all the pages you have the same table tag. Means HTML is a static, it is not directly dynamic. So if you want to make similar thing many times, we have to do copy paste or we have to write it. Okay. It will not be like once you written and you can call many places. We have to write again and again. Then only. So we will come back to contact page. Come to contact page. Come to contact page. In contact page, write a table. For table, we will give the width property 600, height property 400, align center. Width, height, align. Width also be given, height also be given, align also be given. Okay. Go inside. Write there TR and follow the TD. 2 TD. TR and TD. Okay. If you compare the content of my page and your page, few page may have some difference. Suppose I have written here called contact us. In contact us, C is capital. What about your page? C is capital. This U should be capital. Okay. Look at here. If you look into the my hyperlink home, H is capital for me. About us, A is capital. First character is capital. Contact us, C is capital. Our services, O and AC service are capital. Our product, O and P is capital. Change that. Change in your page also. If you have a small, change to capital. Okay, see if you're writing somewhere single word, the first character will be normally capital. If it's a double word, then also first character of both should be capital. Up to how much? Up to 130 character. Once you exceed more than 130 character, you follow 100% grammar rule. But up to 130 character, the first character of every word keep capital. Okay, like hello, how are you? Hello, H should be capital. How, H should be capital. R, A should be capital. U, Y should be capital. Okay, so hope we modified. Okay, so from to see file name don't give capital. The here contact.html, about.html. This is the file name. This should not be capital. The text hyperlink what you have given, that should be capital. The text we have written, the text should be capital. The text should become as a capital. Okay, next after that, come down. TD we have written two places. Right, BG color. BG color equal to orange for first one. Second TD BG color. BG color pink. BG color, no space together. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Two blocks are coming, pink and orange color. In which page? Contact page. Two blocks are coming, pink and orange. Height is more actually. Height we have to reduce. Height keep 200. Half. Height 200. Now it should look like this. In the first TD, use the address tag. Address tag. Second TD also use the address tag. No, second TD don't use the address tag. Second TD will use paragraph Y. Second TD, first TD, right? We got two TD. Table width 600, height 200. First TD something, second TD also something. Inside the first TD, address, second TD also will be writing something. Okay. Under the address, you can write as something. Yeah. You will find this will come italic. This will come as a italic. The address tag when you follow, it will print your text in italic. Under the second TD, you can write paragraph. Okay, something like this. हाँ बोलिए सर। ये खाली है ना? ठीक है, ठीक है। Please check now.
So, address is coming with the data records.
Italic family address is made for italic.
Is the by default address.
Address tag will come by default italic. I tag will also come italic. But I tag will help you to print a single line. Address tag will print to multiple line. I tag capacity is small. Address tag capacity is bigger. Like paragraph. Paragraph will come normal text. But this one address tag will come normal italic. Okay, so let me run it. Oh, but see, all are going in the same line. We need to break the line. No problem. We can write the BR. Put one BR after the name. Second BR you can apply after the this line. If you apply the BR, then comma is not required. Here, suppose info campus below here and BR. So info campus will come in one line and the remaining will go to the new line. So BR is not required here. Sorry, comma is not required. BR is required, comma is not. Check once.
What is it known as?
How to say the folder area
Actually, this folder.
name?
Right click on the folder on your name. First you need to click on the right click. Then go to the right folder. Click on folder, then press F2 for the name. Right click on it, it will over. Right click on it. You can go to the- this name you will be- So you could give something that is equal to the column and limit. That is something that you can place also. So that's it.
But I was telling you.
It's the first time.
But that is first step. I will learn.
Okay, hope ready. So check once. Contact page should look like this. Okay. Now after that, your about file is already ready. Okay. We can do something under the service page. TR bold, if you want to make, you can use the TH here instead of which one? TT, use the TH, both the place. Automatically it will come bold and in center. TH you can use directly. It will become bold and it will come in center.
Sir, in the table data, if I want in a bold, so suppose yesterday you have sent one example customer list, in that all data is in bold. So how can we make that?
We can use B tag.
That's what, like each TD we have to use, or is there?
Each TD. Each TD, the content should be under the B tag.
Okay, so for complete TR, we can't make it. No?
Now, complete TR, if you want to make, then you have to use the TH, one TH, inside TH, everything will be. Then other option is there. Suppose if you written the TH, it's come in the center. TH, if you have written, it came in the center. Now you want to bring in the left, then let it be bold only, and here apply align center. Here apply align as a center. Align as a center. Sorry, not center. Align as a left. Align as a left. Both the place align left. It will come bold as well as it will be in the left side. TR label, you don't have anything. If you want on TR level, then one line of CSS we have to write. And for TR, we can change font weight bold. It will come complete bold.
Okay, sir.
Okay, go ahead. Come to the next file under the service page. Inside service page, after our services, use the tag called div tag, div. Now using div tag, you can divide the page into multiple blocks, but only division will not be helpful to design everything. For division, we have to apply the CSS. But division is a block level element. It will go to the new line. It will not come in the same line by default. H1, write the service name. Use a p tag. Put some text here. After this paragraph, ahref, read more. READ, read more. Ready? Something like this. Oh, I have not saved it. Like this. Read more. After that division, we will write another division. Here you can write comment one service and one service and okay. Now open one more division. Right inside H1. Marketing services. Use one more paragraph. Display some text. ABCD. 3-4 line. And after paragraph, one more A, href, read more. Hope ready? To division. If we can add the CSS, then it will come side by side. Now it is coming one after other in a new line. Because division is block level tag, it will not come in same line by default. We have to change the behavior, then only it will come one after other in the same line. Add one more division. You can write a comment here. Call second service entry. Okay, now write one more div. Next one. Business solutions. Use one p tag. XREF. Now, so how many services? 3 services. Something like this. So ready, service page. Next page we have called product. In product page also we can display something using table. In product page also we can display using table. Okay, then finally we need to go to the product page, right? Come to the product page. In product page, we can display something in table. In table. create one table, should be align as center, self hiding some 10-15, write one tr and create 3 td. Table width we can limit, height let it be auto, width limit is 70%. 70% of current screen. Seventy percent of current screen. Ready? Create 3 TD, 1 TD, 3 TD. In first TD, H3, email marketing, email tools. Second TD, H3, hiring tools. Okay, in the next H3, marketing tools. Okay, ready? 3 heading will come in product page. Now come down, create the next TR. There also you follow the 3 TD. 1, 2, 3. And in each TD, use the paragraph tag and write something ABCD, 4, 5 line. Okay, now inside the HTD, using p tag or directly also you can write, no problem. Three line of text in HTD. Equal text, you can add 3 line. In HTD, equal text, you can add 3 line. Okay, ready? Save the file. Check the product page. Something like this. HTML has limitation on property values. Using only HTML, you cannot make more better. On the same page, if you apply the CSS, look and feel will get changed. Complete. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to learn how to divide the page into multiple blocks. How to divide the page into multiple blocks. Okay, so hope working pages. Then we'll see you tomorrow.